Hey guys, Chris here with Phantombuster, and in this video we're going to look at the LinkedIn profile scraper available on phantombuster.com, which will scrape all of the available data from LinkedIn profiles, including emails. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so to get started using this Phantom, we want to go to phantombuster.com and click on Browse Phantoms. Next, we want to choose LinkedIn Profile Scraper. If you click on the LinkedIn Profile Scraper title, you'll be sent to the Phantom overview page where you'll see all of the things that you can do with this Phantom. If you click on Tutorial, you'll get a step-by-step breakdown on exactly how to set up this Phantom. To use this Phantom, I'm going to choose Use this Phantom. Now you should already have the Phantombuster Chrome extension installed on your browser, so all I need to do is click on Connect to LinkedIn, then click Save. Now here's where you tell the Phantom which profiles you want to scrape. You can either use data from one of your existing Phantoms, or you can use a URL of a Google Sheet or publicly available CSV file. Finally, you can use the URL of a single LinkedIn profile. I'm going to go to LinkedIn and just choose my profile. So in the URL section, I'll select all and choose Copy. And then in the Input section, I'm going to right-click and choose Paste. There's also some additional spreadsheet settings to name the column of the spreadsheet you're using if there's multiple columns. But for now, everything looks good, and I'll go ahead and click Save. Now here's the behavior of the Phantom. Keep in mind there's a limit on how much you can automate on LinkedIn. We recommend that you process a maximum of 80 profiles per day or 150 profiles if you have a Sales Navigator account. If you bypass this by too much, you'll have to update your session cookie more often. And you should always spread your actions across several launches spaced throughout the day during office hours where possible. Next, we want to choose the number of profiles to scrape per launch. We recommend processing a maximum of 10 profiles per launch in order to keep the account safe. There's also some advanced settings, and there's also the ability to rename the result.csv file that gets output. For now, everything looks good, so I'm going to go ahead and click Save. Now here's where you can use the email discovery service. Each Phantombuster plan includes monthly email discovery credits, or you can use other services like Drop Contact, Hunter.io, or Snove.io. For now, I'm going to choose Phantombuster and click Save. And here's where I want to choose how often to launch this Phantom. For now, I'll keep it at manually, but you can also choose repeatedly, and in the drop-down section, choose how many times you want this Phantom to launch per day, and some additional features like choosing 9 to 5 working hours excluding weekends. For now, I'm just going to choose manually. You can also choose how you want to receive notifications, and there's also some advanced settings for setting up a proxy or other folder management settings. For now, everything looks good, so I'll go ahead and click Save. Alright, so now my LinkedIn Profile Scraper Phantom is ready to launch. All I need to do is click on Launch. Now, depending on how many profiles you're scraping, this may take some time. Alright, so now my LinkedIn Profile Scraper Phantom has finished running. If I want to see the data that I've collected, all I need to do is click on the result.csv file. Here you can see that I've pulled all the data from my LinkedIn profile, which was the profile URL that we input. If I want to download this information, all I need to do is click on Download CSV and choose where I want to save it on my hard drive. Alright, so that was how we set up the LinkedIn Profile Scraper Phantom. To get started using this Phantom, all you need to do is go to phantombuster.com and create your account. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.